Today I'm going to try and complete the entire Pokemon card McDonald's series in one sitting at a McDonald's. To start this off, I bought 5 Happy Meals for $30. After eating 5 entire cheeseburgers, I opened up the special boosters. We need to pull all 15 cards before I was either bankrupt or too full on cheeseburgers to continue. Now, from those packs, we actually got a Sprigatito Holo, the Fuecoco Holo, and the Quaxly as well. We also managed to get 2 Cloth Holos, meaning that there was only 1 card left for me to pull. And I had no idea at the time, but the last card we were hunting for was the Pikachu Holo. So it was only right. I went to the self-serve counter and I ordered 5 more cheeseburger Happy Meals. And on the second one, we managed to get it. The McDonald's Pikachu Holo card.